A puppet master with no puppet, pulling strings that don't connect. Lights are fading, trading, trailing through a set with no effect. The pantomime is dead, we hear echoes of stories told, with lines no longer working, lines getting old. I can still hear the tantrums from a stage that wasn't real. Every smile was just a moment, every clue I failed to feel. Birds will fly from where they hatch, the bees will leave the hive. Nature doesn't ask for answers, nature knows how to survive. You was the angel and the devil, both the holy and untrue. A perfect, painful contradiction, yeah. That witch was you. And I can see the traces of a house built on sand. I don't need directions to know where I stand. You are the angel and the devil, both the holy and untrue. A perfect, painful contradiction, yeah. That witch was you. They hatch, the bees will leave the hive. Nature doesn't ask for answers, nature knows how to survive. I am not your puppet, I won't play the role you want. I cannot be your hero. Why you stand on me, you want. You know what you have done. You know, but I'm already undone. You know the mask lies on the floor. You know I can't perform for you anymore. The puppet master's lost her power. The stringing on has lost its pull. Oh. The set lights are lying, fading. Oh. The words have come undone.
If anybody would like to throw us some pennies or pounds, it would be muchly appreciated. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, fantastic. Baron Fortitude.
Hello.
Could you tell us about the beach party?
The beach party is a political party with its main aim is to put the first man in space.
Adam, he was the first man.
Yes, we will dig up his bones and send him to the sun.